Sage X3 has moved us as an organization forward better than we actually probably anticipated. And the biggest factor of that is the quality control aspect for us. And that's really moved us forward and given us a leg up on some of the competition. We've used X3 throughout the entire business. It runs every operation that we have here. The quality control, lot management, advanced purchase costing, and because of the detail that we have implemented through X3, we've been able to really pull out detail that we haven't in the past. Customers are happier, customers have less complaints, and so all those metrics for us have been positive. Now we can take people away from doing a mundane task to doing a meaningful task. And that's been the biggest benefit. Cutting down the time it takes for us to dispatch a delivery vehicle in the morning from an hour per day per vehicle to about 10 minutes, which has saved us a lot of effort and a lot of time. The other cost saving, not just from the warehouse point of view, but from an office point of view. So less customer queries that now have to be dealt with. So we can focus more on moving the business forward than dealing with something that's happened in the past and trying to fix that problem. When it came to choosing X3, it was an easy decision for us. More accurate, more efficient, better controlled. Absolute Gravitas worked very closely with us, obviously in the implementation and everything along those lines. They've been a constant pillar.
If we look at the key deliverables and the benefits that came out, definitely improved customer service. The customer does not wait for Labchem to email them the certificate of analysis anymore. Wherever they are, whenever they need it, they've got the information. It's a process of continual improvement. If you look at the reporting, for example, it's all coming out of one system. So that's definitely improved the reporting turnaround at month end. It's at the press of a button and everything comes out of X3.
It's a big enough system that doesn't become too complex. It's easy to use. It's easy for the user to interface with it. I think any business looking at it needs to look at it for themselves. There are so many aspects to this program and ways to be able to use the program and develop the program for your needs, which means that everything talks to each other. Each department is talking to each other and can see what's going on, which has helped us to be better, helped us to provide better information, helped us to be cleaner, neater, and just better controlled over everything that we're doing.